When driving at night or in low light conditions, we want to ensure that the dashcam will be recording with clarity, capturing everything on the road and keeping you safe. With that in mind, Thinkware dashcams have a super night vision feature, increasing safety and reliability. But what exactly is a super night vision? How will this improve the image quality? Let's find that out and learn more about our super night vision feature. Most of our Thinkware dashcams come with the super night vision feature. The super night vision technology reduces noises and enhances the image quality in low light conditions. This means that no matter how late at night you are driving, the dashcam will be recording with clarity, ensuring that all details such as license plates and road signs are captured. Enabling the super night vision is very simple and can be done through the mobile app for models with built-in Wi-Fi, or through the dashcam itself for models with the LCD screen. Wi-Fi models. To ensure super night vision, first connect with the dashcam via Wi-Fi or hotspot. Once connected, go to the dashcam settings and select Record Settings. On this page, look for super night vision. You will have the option to enable super night vision for parking mode only, continuous mode only, or both continuous and parking mode. For the LCD models, to enable super night vision, click on the Home icon. Then select Settings. Next, select Record Settings. In here, you will be able to enable or disable super night vision. Note that for the F200 Pro and X700 models, the super night vision feature is only available in parking mode. If you select continuous mode only, the super night vision feature will only be applied when the vehicle is on and the dashcam is in continuous mode. Once you turn the vehicle off and the dashcam goes into parking mode, super night vision will be disabled. If you select parking mode only, super night vision will only be enabled once you turn the vehicle off and the dashcam enters parking mode. By selecting continuous and parking, you ensure that super night vision will be enabled, regardless of the vehicle being on or off. Overall, the super night vision will increase the brightness and image quality not only at nighttime, but at any low light setting. This allows for a clear image, no matter if you are driving at night, through an underground parking lot or through a tunnel. With super night vision, your Thinkware dashcam won't miss any details.